This is Maya, who has to write an investigative article for her journalism class. She needs reliable data and expert opinions, but searching for the information is quite challenging. Liner can help you quickly find the information you need. It provides comprehensive answers, along with the sources which you can use as your resources. If you're specifically looking for scholarly sources like academic studies, switch to Liner's Scholar Mode. In Scholar Mode, Liner offers sources exclusively from academic domains. You can visit the actual page for a more in-depth understanding of the content. If you find the sources useful, save them to revisit later. Start researching smarter with Liner.